Hello folks, Julius here. I have been away for a while. I haven't been doing videos for the last month and a half. I think about 2 months was my last video. Hope you're all well. Just gonna make this quick video to tell you about how my progress is with FutureAdpro. So right now it is the last day of September. It's about 6:20 where I am at the moment. And to date, as of this end of this month, I am having roughly about 128 ad packs. So if you go back to my earlier videos, if you subscribe to my channel, I think it was about 20 odd ad packs that I had. I have been putting some money into this now because I was getting a little bit impatient, but I'll probably say I've put in about $500 over a period of 4 to 5 months. No, about 4 months. I started putting money in from the beginning of July, say to the end of June. And it is just about £10 here or £20 here, nothing a lot. Something that I would normally say not just a cup of coffee. Just giving up a cup of coffee 3 times a week to get me about £10 saved up, and I'll put it in. So don't need a lot of money to get started. So every so often I'm going to be putting some money in just to get the account going a little bit faster. And since I have gone up to my 50 ad packs, the 50 ad packs that I have, since they've gone up to 100, really to start to see the difference is making a real difference in what I'm earning. So today, as of about 6:20 now, I have about $43. So that's what's happened. That's what's accumulated for the whole of today. So we still got another 5.5 hours to go, and I think I will get up to $50, by which I will buy another ad pack. So if you watch my last video, I am now concentrating on the $50 ad packs. The $10 ad packs are good to a certain extent, but they're actually they're very slow, and so this will be going down. I want to get the $50 ad packs to about 500, because I think that they really get the account moving very fast. My aim is to be able to earn $50 or actually $60 a day, and I think by the time I get 100 and I would say about 120, 130 $50 ad packs, active ad packs. So if I just click on this and we come up, we see when it comes up. So the idea of having $50 or $60 a day, I'm going to explain that in a minute. So here we are, we've got $50 ad packs. That one is about to go off, and those are the $10 ad packs, and they sort of make the system go a little bit slower. So if that's what you're into, that's fine. I just think, and there's only so much I can have according to my status. If I go to the status, you can only have 100 $10 ad packs anyway, so there's a limit you can do. But I will always recommend, so here we are, I'm on this status. So I have used money in the system to purchase this. I can't remember yet. So all that I purchased a whole year with the money that was on my account. And so that's where I am. So the idea is to get possibly by the end of next year up to 1,000 if I can. But 100 the $100 and the $10 ad packs, I can only get 100 anyway. But I'm concentrating now, from now on, from June, I've concentrated on $50 ad packs to get an increase. Now my take is this: at the moment I've got 128 ad packs. By the end of the year, I'd like that to be something like 140, if not 150. What you want to do, or what you want to start thinking about, is a marketing system. There's a whole piece of puzzle to online marketing and online business. You have to have a marketing system. Now, when I first started off a number of years ago, about 3 years ago, I had the lead Lightning, and the lead Lightning is a one-time $7 fee. you need a marketing system. If you don't have a marketing system, you're not going to be able to show people what you can do, or you're not going to get sign-ups. Sign-up is what you really want. Now, I have got sign-ups, but if I just go to my group, so this is what I've got. I've just got about 700 people. That's not really a lot. And this is me not even advertising. I'm not actually advertising. I'm not actually spending any money on advertising. Can you imagine if I was advertising at least once a week? That number would quadruple. But you want a marketing system. You can start off with lead lightning for the starters, but eventually you want to get up to the power lead system, which is the next level up from power lead system, because it gives you a whole lot of things that you can do, a whole lot of training. Honestly, I have not even scratched the surface on this, and this is how you create funnels. It will teach you what to do, teach you how to get started and stuff. So the aim of the FutureNet is to be able to get sufficient money which can actually pay for itself. So I am paying for my power lead system out of my pocket at the moment. I feel by the end of the year the FutureNet, what I'm getting from FutureNet, will start paying for that, and it is $53 and something. Let's round it up to $54. That's coming out of my pocket at the moment. So getting that is a must, or else you won't be able to get anybody. No sign-ups. Not that sign-up is the most important thing, but sign-up is what you want in order for you to be able to generate some kind of income. There are other pieces of the puzzles, things like and I will go into that on another day. But just for now, just to let you know, I've got 100. I would say by the end of the day that would be 103 50 ad packs, and then I will take it to the and you'll see how that will go. So hopefully by the end of October, when I do the next video, we'll see how many ad packs we've got. And if I'd done this at the end of the day, what I should have done is probably done it at the end of the day, and you can see how this had gone up to $50, and I would have actually signed up. I would buy a new ad pack. Maybe that's what I would do next time. Buy an ad pack right in front of you with the money I have generated on the day. Wherever level you are at, you got to start somewhere. If you don't start somewhere, you're not going to be able to do anything. And this is for people who do not have a lot of money. You don't really need a lot of money on this, but you need something, or else you're never going to be able to get to that point where you can actually get the system working for you. So I'm going to leave it there for now. Have a good day, and if you've got any questions, please link up with me. You've got my contacts down below, and hope to see you on the other side. Bye for now.